I wanna know who you really are, what you dream about at night. I know it feels.
So I finally got my Hamper as a VIP ambassador, Hamper ambassador from Isabella Garcia, which is a sister company to Platinum Life, who referred me to them for this VIP Hamper ambassador program that they have running. Okay, so just to be clear, the Hamper is not free. You pay it off in 12 monthly installments, but the price is affordable, considering the quality of their products. And also you get 16% off, free, of 16% discount for their other products, as an ambassador, which is really why I decided to join. Okay, so what you get is a nice welcome message. This is really pretty, and behind is a skincare routine that you can do. And then you get I got a personalized essential beauty routine, which includes skincare and makeup. Okay. And then you get this little booklet called In the Making of a Star by Isabella Garcia. It's got beauty tips, skincare routine tips, and details. It's very detailed. And I'd like to try these tips because one thing that I never get right is my eyebrows, and they have eyebrow shaping tips here. Okay. So the first thing we're going to unbox is the Moncherie Fragranced Hand and Body Gel Cream Collection. Whoa, okay, here it is. It is boxed like this. And then you get a little note. And here you get two of them. Wow, okay. And it's for your, it's for your hand and body, and it's nicely fragranced. Okay, let's smell one. Oh, it's closed. It's sealed. Wow. Oh my, it's very smells good. Yes, I love it. Okay, let me just use it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And then the second thing we'll unbox is the 3-in-1 Nourishing Night Cream. Where is the 3-in-1 Nourishing Night Cream? Oh, okay. This is for anti-aging and for nourishment. And you can use it in that beauty routine that they give you. And the pH balanced face wash. I got 3 of them. Oh my gosh, I love these. I used to keep getting them. Now I've got 3, which are gonna last quite a while. And then the Super Defense Day Moisturizer. Super Defense Day Moisturizer is SPF 15. It's also anti-aging. Yeah. I heard from one of these skin professionals that what you really need for your face is a good cleanser and some sun protection. But obviously, if you buy from these stores that specialize in skincare and everything, you could get more. But the basics are the basics. Anyway, then there's the Ultra Advanced Firming Up Gel. Where is that? The Ultra Advanced Firming Up Gel. Can't see it, but I got the toner. Oh, there it is. The Ultra Advanced Firming Up Gel. Oh, it's in this package. Let me open it. You can see it there. And the packaging is very simple, but this is very nice. This is a nice package for the firming up gel. It's very cute. Very elegant and simple, and it's plastic, yeah. And they are high renewal cream exfoliant, an exfoliator to restore and brighten your skin. And what else do we have? We have a Fifth Wonder mascara in black. I love mascara because my eyelashes are really small. Nifty packaging. Love it. And I might run out of mascara soon, so this is perfect timing. What else do we have? Black Velvet eye pencil. Black Velvet. I love eyeliner. Can't take it out. Let's see here. Ooh. Yes, and it's the type that you twist, okay, to get more from it. I currently just have a pencil, but this one is like a newer design. What else do we have? We have a Lip Luster lip gloss in petal pink. Lip Luster lip gloss. Yes, I wanted a pink. They asked me what colors I wanted, and I wanted a pink for my lips. Beautiful. I think, is this the real gloss or is it Perspex or something like that? I don't know. Sounds like gloss. Cool. This is beautiful packaging. And what's in light? Okay. What else do we have here? Luscious Lips liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick. Yes. But it's in coral. They didn't have it in pink. I did pink because I'm tired of red now. Something new. But coral looks like a nice color. Kind of looks like a shade of pink, which I'm happy about. Yes. And what else do we have? We have a sculpting brush. Yes. I received this. I chose this last time. Oh, this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to learn how to use it now. And a Color Pro Gold Shimmer Eyeshadow. Gold Shimmer Eyeshadow. I've got quite a few eyeshadow. This is pretty. It's a pretty gold color. And what else do we have? My Darling Fine Fragrance Collection. So these are perfumes, which is what I was actually most excited about. I love their fragrances. So let's see which ones they gave me. They gave me Mademoiselle and Belle. They gave me two. These are gonna last a long time. I'm happy. So let's try one out. I'm gonna try Bell out. Wow, this is nice. I love this. It smells so feminine and mature, actually. It's got a mature scent because it reminds me of my mom. Let's smell the other one. This is nice. This is just Mademoiselle, like a madam. How does it smell to me? It smells kind of youthful. Loving my describing words. Okay. Then a signature scent collection preview set. Wow, this is just a box and with a guide to all their signature scents, and it's a box full of samples, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, all these samples. Reminds me of my broke days where I used to collect samples just to smell good when I go out. Girl, those days are over. Okay, what else do we have? A revitalizing toner. It's so small. It comes in a small bottle, but it should be very good to balance and refresh your skin. And lastly, we have a molten blush. So this is like also came in like a sample kind of package. It's a blush for your cheeks, and it's coral color, which is what I chose as well. So that's everything, and I'm just happy. It's more than I expected, and I think it's worth the about $360 per month that I'll be paying.